Hi, we're gonna do a demo of the Nemsis Validator Cloud microservice. You can see my screen right now. And over here, we first have the testing namespace in our Kubernetes cluster, and all those pods with Nemsis, they are the pods that were created for this particular demo. And we have 4 services over here. We have the front end that shows the website, that has the user interface and where the results are displayed. Then there's the backend. This is also for the website. Then we have the upload API service. And then finally the Nemsis Validator. This is the validator code that we just wrapped in a Twisty-Go service. So the flow is the front end uses the upload API. Then the upload API publishes a message onto our RabbitMQ server. Then the validator picks up this message, validates, and then publishes back the original file and the result to a different queue. And then the web backend picks up the message from the validator, and then it gets presented on the front. Okay, so I'm going to move this away so you can see better. This is the website, and on the top of the screen over here, I have the logs of those pods, so we can see in real time what's going on. And so the website has some Rabbit-related metrics over here. We see the queues, we see the connection status, active queues over here, and it's live, so it's connected to the backend. Okay, so we click over here, we pick a XML file, it's being uploaded, and you can see on the top over here that it has been uploaded, and then it's in this queue for the validator, and it's processing. Takes about 10 seconds. And then when it's gonna get processed, this is gonna turn to 0, and we're gonna, oh, there it is. And here is the validation results. You can see some details over here, and this particular file, all that was about validation is actually passed. So the data structure, the file structure, and the business logic from Schematron, they were all okay, right? And detected the state. And now if we take a file that on this one, I created this corrupt purpose. So this one was easy. It didn't even pass the first step of the validation. And then let's take a file. Okay. So this one's being processed. Okay. So the file itself was okay, but this particular file, the business logic failed. So yeah, this is how it works. You can go to this URL. It's public. You can play with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot.